Hey everybody, it's Miss Negron here. I'm going to show you a quick video on how to access class notebooks in OneNote. So what you're going to do is open up a web browser and you are going to type in office.com, which is going to bring you to this web page. Next, what you're going to do is press sign in, and you are going to sign in with your student emails that were given to you from school. So I did ask for permission in order to use a scholar's email address. If you do get a second login page, that is okay. Please just log in twice. And so this is going to be Office, so Office 365. With Office 365, on the left-hand side, you will see you have access to Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, OneNote, SharePoint, and Teams. So today we're going to mainly focus on using OneNote. So if you click on OneNote, if you do not see this here, you can click Class Notebooks. So if your teacher already created a class notebook for you, it might pop up here. You can also create your own notebook if you wish by clicking this button for plus new notebook, and that is going to allow you to create a notebook for any class you wish. For now, we're going to specifically look at the Algebra 2 Trigonometry Notebook. So when you click that, it's going to bring you to a new web page. From here, you're going to see that you have access to a welcome page, a collaboration space, which is going to be where your teacher can post items and everyone can collaborate in one specific space with everybody seeing it. Next, you have a content library in which your teacher can post different content, and if you do want to have it in your notebook, you can copy and paste it into your notebook and then make any edits you wish, as well as your personal folder. So as you will see, when you click on your name, I have created 4 folders for you. So it's class notes, reference sheets, exams or quizzes, and projects. If you wish to add more sections, you can. For today, we're going to be focusing on class notes. So before moving into how to add pages, anything that does get added to your notebook, the only people who can see this are you and your teacher. So now if we click on the pages, so here we see week 1 of remote learning, and this is going to be the information that we've spoken about so far this week. Now, let's say you want to include a page for our first unit. So our first unit are linear equations. So I want this page to be underneath the 92320 for practicing because I want that one to be the focus. Now what I'm going to do is add another page because the first topic that we're actually going to get into is talking about linear systems of equations. Now because this is part of the first unit, I can right click and make this a subpage so that it indents. Now on this page, I can add in anything I want. So I can insert a table, a file, an image, a link, math symbols, emojis, and everything like that. So if you click on picture, I'm actually going to insert a graph that I already have. And then I'm going to click on the drawing tool. So now I can actually use the drawing tool to draw directly onto this. I can change the size of the pen. I can change the color as well. So for here, I'm just plotting points. Now let's say I wanted to create the equation as if I were to connect these points as best as I can using my mouse. And this is going to be the equation y equals to x plus 2. Now let's say you want to change your ink into text. What you can do is select the marquee, highlight your equation, and click this math tool, which will then change your ink into text. Now there's other things you can definitely do in terms of writing math equations, inserting more pages, inserting different sections, anything that you wish to help keep yourself and your notebook organized. What's great about this is you can definitely use it for all of your classes, as well as incorporating resources that will link you to other web browsers, to other programs that we use, and much more. I hope this helps.